next-generation stealth aircraft. The United States Air Force's F-47 sixth-generation fighter represents the ultimate evolution of stealth technology, combining invisibility, artificial intelligence, and drone command capabilities in a single platform that, honestly, redefines air superiority for the next century. The F-47, developed under the Next Generation Air Dominance program, incorporates stealth technologies that surpass both the F-22 and F-35. This sixth-generation fighter features a potentially tailless flying wing design that further reduces radar signature while providing superior speed and maneuverability compared to current platforms. The aircraft's stealth capabilities enable it to penetrate advanced threat airspace that would challenge even existing stealth fighters. What truly sets the F-47 apart is its integration with artificial intelligence and autonomous systems. The aircraft is designed from the ground up to operate alongside drone wingmen through the Collaborative Combat Aircraft program, allowing a single pilot to command and coordinate multiple autonomous platforms simultaneously. This human-machine teaming capability multiplies the aircraft's effectiveness exponentially. The Navy's parallel F/AXX program promises similar revolutionary capabilities for carrier operations, with 25% greater range than the F-35C and advanced AI integration that transitions from man-in-the-loop to man-on-the-loop operations. This extended range of over 1,700 miles, combined with refueling capabilities, provides, basically, indefinite operational reach. Both programs represent a fundamental shift in air combat philosophy. Rather than single-platform superiority, these aircraft serve as command nodes for integrated air combat systems that blend manned and unmanned capabilities, creating air power effects that no adversary can match with conventional fighters.